How to fix your account has been flagged for potential abuse in ChatGPT. Let's jump right into the steps. But before we start, please keep in mind that this method might not work 100%. But you can try it out if you want to really use ChatGPT. Moving forward to the steps, open any of the web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now here you want to tap on three dots on the bottom right corner. Then you want to tap on settings. As soon as you do that, a pop-up will appear where you want to scroll down a little bit and then tap on privacy and security. As you do that, you enter to this page. Now you want to tap on clear browsing data. Now here you want to select browsing history, cookies, site data, and cache images and files. After selecting all of them, you want to tap on clear browsing data, which deletes all the cookies off the website. That means it also deletes cookies and caches off ChatGPT. Now tap on clear browsing data again. And another method you can use is you can use any type of VPN such as Hotspot, Shield VPN. You can use the free trial or you can also use the paid version of it if you like. Once you have opened VPN on your phone, you can go ahead and open ChatGPT again. Go to the search bar and search for ChatGPT and then try to log in again. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.